Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki on Thursday 30th November 2023 yarn say in Deputy Philip Shaibu dey free to contest and run for the state governorship come 2024. Obaseki tok say Shaibu get every constitutional right to do so and say nobody get the right to discourage the deputy governor. The governor yarned those one when he talked to Tori people for Bauchi State after one closed-door meeting with Bauchi State Governor Bala Mohammed. Former governor of Akwa Ibom State Emmanuel Udom dey with Oga Obaseki when he tell Tori people say the meeting with Governor Bala Mohammed na to touchlight and chook eye on top matters wey concern the People's Democratic Party Governors Forum. Oga Obaseki tok say based on say Governor Bala na the chairman of the PDP's Governors Forum, that na why dem come meet am to chook eye on top matters wey concern the forum and to also congratulate am for im victory. Oga Obaseki still tok say the meeting also na to rub minds on top im deputy governorship ambition and also on top matters wey dey affect the party and the way we country Naija dey go, and to also find ways on how dem go fit support the administration and save the country and Naija people from suffer.
Nigerians are suffering. And the suffering is almost unprecedented. But I think we should stop lamenting and say, what do we do as leaders to confront the issues we face, to reduce the sufferings of our people, and to put more food on the table? The year is getting to an end with seeing prices of food items go up. What can we as PDP governors do to ameliorate the sufferings of our people? These are some of the things we keep to talk about while preserving the unity of this country.
Concerning the question whether im go support im deputy or not, and say TMC TV reports show say Shaibu governorship ambition don cause katakata between himself and the principal Obaseki, as the katakata between the two of them don even reach court matter, while Oga Obaseki come move Shaibu office comot from government house, and say even with all the opposition from Obaseki, Shaibu still declare im governorship ambition on Monday for Benin. Oga Obaseki answer and talk say in relationship with im deputy dey cordial, and say as a citizen Philip Shaibu dey free to run for the office of the governor. He still talk say only im vote no go fit determine Shaibu fate, as na the party and the members of the party go fit decide who go be their flag bearer for the coming governorship election.
The relationship, as you know, is cordial. He wants to run for the office I currently occupy, and he's free to. And I think as a Nigerian, he has the constitutional rights to run. Nobody can and should stop him. The party will decide, and also the members of the parties will decide who will be the flag bearer of our party in the forthcoming gubernatorial elections in Edo State. I'm only one of millions of party members in Edo State, and I don't think my vote alone will determine whether he becomes the party's flag bearer.
This report is compiled by Nosa Idele Ugbede, and make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From TMC TV studio, Ekata Ojuisele, TMC TV News.